येनाक्षर समाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनीं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। So we look at Abhyasa number 11. There are a few terms that have come over here. Some Sangya Shabdas are there. Ka is Sangya, as we know, and some the Kha Shabdas that are there, they are the Dhatus. So these are the Pratipadikas. Uh, these terms are the Pratipadikas, and these terms are the Dhatus. Sorry, this up till Krand, all Dhatus. So let me just read this thing. मूर्खः मूर्ख, चोरः चोर, मोक्षः मोक्ष, स्नानं स्नान, पठनं पढ़ना, भक्षणं खाना, क्रुध क्रोध करना, द्रोह द्रोह करना, ईर्ष्य ईर्ष्या करना, असूया या असूय जलना या टू बी जेलस ऑफ, निवेदी निवेदन करना, उपदिश उपदेश देना, क्रंद रोना, and there are some other words also that come. Artham is liye and krite is liye. We will see how artham is to be used. Then sundaram is sundar and shobhanam is acha, samichinam is acha, madhuram is meetha. And from murkha till moksha will all work like the akaranta pullinga. So murkha chora moksha all will work like akaranta pullinga ramavat. एंड स्नान से लेकर भक्षण तक कैसे चलेंगे, गृह की तरह. सो गृहम गृहे गृहाणी, इस रीति से चलाना पड़ेगा. तो स्नानम स्नाने स्नानानि या भक्षणम भक्षणे भक्षणानि, दैट वे. सो we are seeing now some sarvanama shabdas which are basically napumsakalinga shabdas that we are trying to see now. So, and we also have dhatu, which is as dhatu chaturthi, that I think we haven't seen Abhyasa 11. I'm just confirming once. So सर्व शब्द के नपुंसक लिंग के पूरे रूप स्मरण करो. This is 34 kha. We will go there first. 34 kha. 34 kha is here. Check your book. Maybe 34 kha is सर्वः सर्वौ सर्वे सर्वौ सर्वम सॉरी नपुंसकलिंग, राइट. सो सर्वम सर्वे सर्वाणि सर्वम सर्वे सर्वाणि सर्वेण सर्वाभ्याम सर्वैः सर्वस्मै सर्वाभ्यां सर्वेभ्यः सर्वस्मात् सर्वाभ्यां सर्वेभ्यः सर्वस्य सर्वयोः सर्वेषां सर्वस्मिन् सर्वयोः सर्वेषु. So this is the thing that we wanted to see. This is the napumsakalinga thing. Now one thing that you will see is that the Pratama and Dvitiya Vibhakti works like a, ani in that format. But post that, Tritiya Vibhakti onwards, it's all like the Punlinga. Okay, that is important to keep a note of. Now we look at the Abhyasa again. We say that, okay, तत् यत एतत और किम के रूप नपुंसक लिंग में सर्व के तुल्य चलेंगे. So if you have seen the previous classes recording, I did mention that etat is a sarvanama एतत् का जो सर्वनाम है, एतत् सर्वनाम का जो नपुंसकलिंग रूप है वो चलेगा ऐसे, एतत्, एते, एतानी। पुल्लिंग रूप कैसा चला? एषः, एतौ, एते। स्त्रीलिंग रूप कैसा चला? एषा, एते, एताः। इट वेंट ऑनवर्ड्स लाइक दिस, एषः, एतौ, एते, और एषा, एते, एताः, एताम, एते, एताः, एतया, एताभ्याम, एताभिः। दिस इज स्त्रीलिंग। नपुंसकलिंग विल बी लाइक एतत्, एते, एतानि, एतत्, एते, एतानि। प्रथमा विभक्ति, द्वितीय विभक्ति आर द सेम। तृतीय विभक्ति onward it becomes एतेन, in this format, एतेन, एतेभ्याम, एतेभ्यः, will work like that. एंड यत के लिए भी वैसा। तो तत् क्या है? तत् इज दैट, तत् इज वह, यत इज जो, एतत् इज यह, एंड किम इज क्या। ओके, सो इफ आई से there is this प्रार्थना शिव मानस पूजा by भगवत्पाद आदि शंकराचार्य. So there he says, यद् यत् कर्म करोमि तत्तदखिलं शंभो तवाराधनम। यत् यत् कर्म करोमि, सो ही सेइंग जो मैं काम करूं, मैं करता हूं, तत्तद अखिलम, वो सब, अखिलम वो सारा क्या हो जाए? शंभो तवाराधनम, वो सब आपकी आराधना बन जाए, आपकी पूजा बन जाए। एनी वर्क दैट आई डू, दिस इज शिव मानस पूजा. ओके, now there this yat tat becomes clear. If I say, suppose you come to Bangalore or Chennai and we meet, and if I introduce you to somebody, I will say Eshah Divakarah, ye Divakar hai, I will say in the same way. Now very interestingly, we have so tat आदि के प्रथमा द्वितीय एक वचन में tat yat किम रूप ही रहेंगे. So basically the thing that they are saying is prathama dvitiya for tat, etat, yat and kim will be like Napumsakalinga uh, format, a, ani kind of format, and then it becomes like Punlinga. Now, as dhatu is something that I discussed earlier. As is not the same as bhu. There is some resemblance in the sense, in the meaning that they convey, but as and bhu are two different dhatus. That has to be very clear. So I will show you that later after the patha, kind of we make some progress with today's patha. So अस धातु के विधिलिंग और लृट के रूप स्मरण करो. धातु रूप 23. अस को लृट में भू होता है. So let us go here. We will be able to appreciate it better over there. धातु right. 23. धातु 23 is अस्ति स्तः सन्ति, असि स्तः स्त, असि स्थः स्थ, अस्मि स्वः स्म. It works like that, but they are saying vidhilinga and lit lakara. So स्यात्, स्यास्तां, स्युः, स्याः, स्याः, स्यातं, स्यात, स्याम, स्याव, स्याम. दिस इज फॉर होना चाहिए या होए, एक होए, दो होए, तीन या तीन से अधिक होए. स्यात्, स्याताम, स्युः. सह उत्तीर्णः स्यात्, वो पास हो जावे. तौ उत्तीर्णौ स्यास्ताम, वे दोनों उत्तीर्ण हो जावे. स्युः, ते उत्तीर्णाः स्युः, ये तीनों या तीन से अधिक उत्तीर्ण हो जाएं. इन दैट सेम वे वी विल गो. and lrit lakara is bhavishyatah, bhavishyati, bhavishyatah, bhavisyanti, bhavishyasi, bhavishyatah, bhavishyatha, bhavishyami, bhavishyavah, bhavishyamah. So this works like bhu. That is what they were saying. Now we again move back to this abhyasa. Now क्रुध आदि के रूप बनाकर भू के तुल्य चलेंगे. सो एक य ऐड होगा. सो वी विल से नॉट क्रुधति, वी विल से क्रुधियति. क्रुधियति. और ये धातुएं किस गण की हैं, दैट वी नीड टू सी. सो एज आई सेड दैट ऑल द धातुस दैट आर देयर बिलोंग टू सम ब्रॉडर कैटेगरी ऑफ 10 ganas. The 10 ganas. So we need to see where does krudh come from. So let me just share my screen. There we see that krudh is not becoming krudhati. Druhu is not becoming druhati. It means druhiyati or irshyati or asuyati. There's something that is happening here, right? What is that something that is happening here? We need to see that. And let me present something else in the meanwhile and see if we can arrive at the link. Okay. So yeah, दिवादी गण. सो दिवादी गण के लिए कहते हैं देयर इज अ लक्षण और देयर इज अ सिम्पटम यू कैन सी इन सम वे फॉर दिवादी गण. दिवादिभ्यः श्यन. वहां पे क्या होगा? आई विल ब्रेक दिस अप व्हेन वी लुक एट लघु सिद्धांत एट सम पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम लेटर मे बी. बट व्हाट डज दैट बेसिकली मीन? दिवादी गण की धातुओं में एक य नामक संप्रसारण होता है. वन य कम्स ओवर हियर, so it becomes krudhiyati, krudhiyatah. So it is working in that format. Divadibhyah shyan. Okay, fine. So now I again go back and share the screen for Rachananuvada Kaumudi. तो क्रुद्ध हो गया. Now what are the niyamas? Krudha Druhershya dot. That's not the sutra. So there now Kapil Dev Dwivedi ji is quoting a sutra. The sutra essentially says क्रोध, द्रोह, ईर्ष्या या असूया ये किन्हीं के ऊपर हो तो जिसके ऊपर ऐसी भावना होती है उस पे चतुर्थी लगेगी. सो द पर्सन whom we hate, whom we cheat on, etc., or whom we are jealous of, for that person we will use chaturthi विभक्ति. तो राम मूर्खाय क्रुध्यति. राम मूर्ख पे क्रोध करता है. कुप्यति इत्यादि देयर से. And then druhyati, irshyati, etc. also. So this is what we will see. Now there is a sutra for this. The sutra is, I will just present again the sutra for you. It's good to build that samskara for the sutras gradually, which is why I'm doing it even when we are not really looking at Laghu Siddhanta. So क्रुध द्रुहेर्ष्यासूयार्थानाम यम प्रतिकोपः. So what are they saying? They are saying क्रुध, द्रुह, ईर्ष्य तथा च असूय इत्यर्थकानां धातूनां प्रयोगे यम प्रतिकोपः जायते तत्कारकम संप्रदान संज्ञम भवति. किनकी संप्रदान संज्ञा होगी? what words will be called as संप्रदान कारकस? Those words which become the object of these dhatus, that is क्रुध, द्रुह, ईर्ष्य and असूया. They are giving an example over here. यथा देवदत्तः यज्ञदत्ताय क्रुध्यति. देवदत्त यज्ञदत्त पे क्रोध करता है. द्रुह्यति, ईर्ष्यति, असूयति, etc. Okay, so we again go back, present something else. I have to keep changing this all the time, but anyway that's not a problem. Then we say कथ निवेदय उपदिश धातुओं के साथ चतुर्थी होती है. जैसे शिष्याय कथयति, निवेदयति, उपदिशति, शिष्यम उपदिशति वा. तो ये ऑप्शनल है. ऐसा नहीं है कि जिसके साथ बात करना है उस पर केवल चतुर्थी ही लगेगी. शिष्यम उपदिशति वा ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि शिष्य को उपदेश कर रहे हैं. दिस कैन ऑल्सो बिकम अ पॉसिबिलिटी. सो जिस प्रयोजन के लिए जो वस्तु या क्रिया होती है उसमें चतुर्थी विभक्ति होती है. So if I say I worship or I pray to Hari for moksha, so that will become, so the vastu for which I am praying to Hari, that vastu, on that vastu we use the chaturthi vibhakti, so it becomes mokshaya or shishuhu dugdhaya krandati. चतुर्थी के अर्थ में अर्थम और कृते अवयवों का प्रयोग होता है. अर्थम समास होकर शब्दों के साथ मिल जाता है. सो वी विल नेवर से पठनाय विद्यालयम गच्छति. We can say that Patanaya Vidyalayam Gachati, but we can also say Patanartham. Or else we can say, we can use the word Krite. So वहां पे क्या बोलेंगे, वहां पे षष्ठी विभक्ति होगी. So the word for which we are going to use Krite, for that word we will use षष्ठी instead of Chaturthi. We will say Bhojanasya Krite. Bhojanasya Krite is the same as Bhojanaya, but you can make that different usage over there. Now, Divakar ji, please read sentences 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Or maybe just 1, 2, 3, 4.
ओके. कृष्णः तस्मै दुर्जनाय, उस दुर्जनाय अर्थात ओके. कृष्णः तस्मै दुर्जनाय क्रुध्यति.
Hmm.
Then
There is something, some other word also that you may need to supply.
yes,
That word
yeah.
you can find over here, I guess.
कुप्यति,
Kupyati.
द्रुह्यति, ईर्ष्यति, असूयति वा.
Hmm.
शिष्यः तस्मै गुरुवे कथयति. पुत्रः जनकाय निवेदयति. गुरुः शिष्याय शिष्यं वा उपदिशति.
Hmm.
ज्ञानाय गुरुं नमति.
Perfect. Now, uh, translate sentence. This this sentence can you translate?
Which one?
This the one that I've highlighted with yellow.
ओके. त्वं भोजनस्य कृते अत्र आगच्छ. तुम भोजन करने यहाँ आओ, यहाँ आना चाहिए.
नहीं,
तुम्हें भोजन करने.
यहाँ आओ. आदेश
ओके.
आदेशार्थक है ना, लूट लकार.
जी जी जी. तुम भोजन करने यहाँ आओ.
Perfect. Now 10. 10 is the saha atra syat tvam syaha aham cha syam. This one.
ओके. श्यात. I think I forgot the meaning of श्यात.
Syat came in today's patha. I mean, also in yesterday's or maybe the Tuesday's patha it came. That is as.
Yes.
So as dhatu is there. Okay. As
ओके.
dhatu में क्या है? As dhatu is like asti stah santi in lat lakara. In Vidiling lakara, we just saw, I mean, a few minutes back, it becomes syat, syatam, syuhu, syah, syakam, syata, syam, syava, syama. Now, if that is the case, Vidiling hai, or an as dhatu is hona, या है, in that sense,
जी.
asti hai. So, उस sense में we have to use this thing. So, can you just tell me what this means? Sentence.
स अत्र स्यात्. वह यहाँ आया.
वो विधिलिंग इज विधि. यू उसको यहाँ होना चाहिए.
ओके. यस, सॉरी. उसको यहाँ होना चाहिए. राइट. त्वं श्यायः. तुम्हें होना चाहिए.
हम्म.
अहम च श्याम. मुझे भी होना चाहिए.
Perfect. Now, sentences. Uh, Vidwan, I don't know whether we have seen Vidwan word for, I mean, we haven't yet seen come to this Sakaranta Punglinga, or rather, sorry, not Sakaranta Pullinga. We haven't yet come to this Halanta Pullinga. So I will avoid this one, but you can certainly do this one. राम चोर पर क्रोध करता है।
हम्म, रामः चौर्या wait, रामः चौर्याः
हाँ।
क्रुध्यति।
दिस इज चौराय। चौराय।
चौराः
चौर
चौरा।
चौर बोलते हैं, वहां पे चोर नहीं होता है, वो चौर बन जाएगा नाउ। अदर इज मुनि ही बालकाय उपदिशति, कैन से। और वी कैन से मुनि ही बालकस्य कृते उपदिशति, वी कैन से दैट आल्सो। वह
हम्म,
मोक्ष के लिए विद्या पढ़ता है, दैट बिकम्स सह मोक्षाय विद्याम पठति।
ध्यान
सह
पठति।
मोक्षस्य कृते
कृते
विद्याम पठति।
पठति।
इन द
हम्म,
सेम वे यू कैन डू इट फॉर अदर थिंग्स। वह नहाने के लिए वहां जाता है, सह
yes,
स्नानाय
हम्म,
तत्र गच्छति। सह
अच्छा,
स्नानस्य कृते तत्र तत्र गच्छति। सो
yes,
or then we looked at some other new words also, right? Today some new words apart from the व्याकरण rules. वे
हम्म,
पुस्तकें सुंदर हैं। What does
हम्म,
that become?
सुंदरम। इसका
हाँ।
संस्कृत ते पुस्तकानि ते पुस्तकम सुंदरे।
आहा।
नहीं,
दैट
सॉरी।
इज
ते पुस्तकानि
पुस्तकें हैं ना।
सुंदराणि सन्ति।
सुंदराणी। सुंदराणी।
सुंदर सन्ति।
हाँ, क्यों होगा? क्योंकि सुंदर इज द विशेषण, पुस्तक इज द विशेष्य।
यस।
विशेषण को विशेष्य का लिंग विभक्ति वचन तीनों हो जाता है।
जी।
हाँ। नाउ 14th इज वे फल मधुर है।
हम्म,
we say te,
ते
or rather here is phala, so we will not say te, we will say tani, because phalam
तानि।
is what? Phalam is napumsakalinga,
हम्म,
and वे वह के लिए what is the word? tat. Tat becomes sah taute for pumlinga. स्त्रीलिंगा it is sa te taha.
हम्म,
नपुंसकलिंगा it is तत्ते तानि। तो
हम्म,
तानि फलानि मधुराणि संति। अस्ति
यस।
स्तः संति, अस्ति नहीं बोलेंगे वहां पे, क्योंकि बहुवचन में विल से संति।
सन्ति। यस।
So I would say, since you have not worked out, I think the past few pathas, it would be good
हम्म,
if you just work out patha 10 and
यस,
11,
यस, यस, आई विल।
so that it drills in the brain very well. I mean these
यस, यस।
concepts, So now we have this thing, चौरः सज्जनात् द्रुह्यति, that will not work क्योंकि द्रुह धातु के प्रयोग से we will say सज्जनाय चतुर्थी।
यस।
तं
यस।
नृपम कथयति, नहीं कथयति कहेंगे तो तस्मै नृपाय कथयति कहना है। एंड देन ते पुस्तकानि सुंदराणि, सो एज आई सेड इट बिकम्स तानि। ते इज अनकरेक्ट बिकॉज ते कम्स फॉर तत् प्रातिपदिका प्रथमा विभक्ति एक बहुवचनम फॉर पुंलिंग। ओके।
पुल्लिंग।
सो these are the things. Abhyasa, fine, you can do the abhyasa. And I would say just religiously do these abhyasas for, I would say, this particular book at least. That is the Prarambhika. If you can clear Prarambhika, then Rachananuvad, the next installment of this book, is much more easier to handle. So this you
ओके,
need to
दैट्स राइट।
do very well, for even for your own research, because if you don't do this, then translation task will become extremely difficult. Uh, Anyway, I will just quickly do one thing. I will quickly go and share Ramo Dantam. Hmm. As you know, we have been discussing Ramo Dantam,
हम्म, हम्म,
and I will just quickly change the screen, and let me see where I can do this. Yeah, Ramo Dantam, beautiful text. So we saw till shloka number 8. मंदोदरीं मयसुतां परिणीय दशाननः तस्याम् उत्पादयामास मेघनादाः वयं सुतम्. But since we need to do a Mangala Charana for this also, I would just say Ramaya Ramabhadraya Ramachandraya Vedhase Raghunathaya Nathaya Sitaya Pataye Namaha. We start with this. Sri Rama Rama Ram. Now, this is the ninth verse. We want to complete till the 20th verse today. That's my target, to complete till verse number 20. So let us see if we can do that. I think we can. We are good on time today. So rasam rasatalam chaiva. It's like basically now talking about the rise of Ravana. That is what is going on, you know. So they say that rasam rasatalam chaiva vijitya saturavanah लोकानाक्रमयन् सर्वान् जहार च विलासिनिः. So what is happening? Basically, rasa. Rasa is Prithvi. Rasa is Prithvi. If you ever see this word in your Tirtha related literature, you need to know that this is Prithvi. Okay. This word rasa. रसा इज द वर्ड. रसा में क्या हुआ? द्वितीय विभक्ति हुआ. क्यों हुआ? बिकॉज रावण इज द कर्ता, राइट, और रावण इज द पर्सन हु इज डूइंग द काम, हु इज डूइंग द वर्क. एंड व्हाट इज द फोकल पॉइंट ऑफ हिज एक्शन? टू थिंग्स, रसा एंड रसातल. सो पृथ्वी लोक को भी जीत लिया एंड पाताल लोक को भी जीत लिया. विजीत्य, जीत लिया, दोनों को जीत लिया. कौन? स तु रावण. एंड देन व्हाट? लोकानाक्रमयन् सर्वान् जहार च विलासिनिः. Not only that, he also attacked people and looted all the ladies. Okay. Then the next thing that is coming is Jahar. What is this Jahar coming? Where is this Jahar coming from? This is coming from the धातु हृ और हरति. हरति में लगा ज. ये कहाँ से आया? हरति is लेना, right? But when you look at, let me go back to Dhatu Patha and show you this thing. Uh, Hri Harane. There are two meanings, and both of them kind of are very unfortunate, but yeah. So one of them is this. So let me show you this meaning over here. Not this. Chrome tab, right? See, lit lakara. What is lit lakara? Lit lakara is remote past. We have lang lakara, which is anadyatana bhutkala. Whatever did not happen today, but happened yesterday, day before yesterday, etc. But if you want to convey something in the remote past, we use this thing. We use the term, we use the lakara, lit lakara. So, jahara is coming. And you see, Hri Harane, that is coming for Haran Karna, loot lena, etc. Okay. So, me again go back to Ramodantam. Ramodantam. Okay, fine. Now, दूषयन् वैदिकं कर्म द्विजान् अर्दयति स्म सः आत्मजेन अन्वितः युद्धे वासवं चाप्यपीडयत्. Who is Vasava? Vasava is Indra. As usual, this Ravana started causing problems to Indra, started torturing Indra, trouble Indra. And what else did he do? He also polluted the Vaidika Yajna, Vaidikam Karma. Dvijan ardayati smasaha. That is, Dvija is the twice born. So, Dvija also means something else, by the way. It also means one is the twice born, Brahmana, Vaishya, and Kshatriya. It also means birds, by the way. So we say Danta Viprandajaha Dvijaha. That is, teeth and birds both can be conveyed by the word Dvija. So it means basically that he was torturing both humans and also birds and other animals, other living beings basically. And Ardayati. So whom is he doing Ardayati? This Dvijan. What is this Saha? This is the Tat Shabdas Pullinga Ekavachanam of Prathama Vibhakti. And what is Sma? Sma is coming from past tense. So if you ever forget how to use past tense ka forms, lang lakara or lit lakara, what you can do is you can write the lat lakara and just add sma. So I could have said a karot, which is usne kiya, but I can also say sa karoti sma. That is that also conveys the same meaning. What else is this person doing? Atmajena anvitah, accompanied by his Atmaja, his son, Yuddhe, in the Yuddha, he also troubled Vasava or Indra. Very nice. Tadiya Taruratnani Puraranaya Kinkaraihi Thapayitva tu Lankayam Avasatcha Chirayacha. Chiraya is for a long time. Chirakal ke liye. Yeah, for a long time. He avasat. Vasati, vasatah, vasanti. Now see how we are using the translation skills here. Avasat te cha. That is or raha. Kaha raha? Lankayam. Lanka is strilinga. So Lanka में, like लतायाम, लंका में रहा. अवसत, बहुत समय के लिए. चिराय, सह, वो, कैसे करके रहा? स्थापयित्वा, किसी चीज की स्थापना करके, by establishing or planting something here. What? So he basically what he did, he got the Kalpa Vriksha from the Swarga Loka, I think. He got the Kalpa Vriksha and then Punarannaya, he got it back via his kinkaras or via his servants, and he placed it in the in Lanka, his capital. ततस्तस्मिन्नवसरे विधातारं दिवौकसः उपगम्योचिरे सर्वं रावणस्य विचेष्टितम्. Very interesting word is coming. Another important word is Divaukasaha. How is this word getting formed? We say Dyauha or Dyauhu Okaha Yesham Te. This is Bahuvrihi Samasa. This is Bahuvrihi Samasa. That where you use two words, you say Pitambara, Pila Kapda hai jiska. But neither Pila is an important word here, Kapda is an important word here. But we say Pitambara denotes Krishna. Anya Pada becomes important here. So in the same way, Divau Kasaha is Bahuvrihi Samasa. They are saying Dyauhu Okaha Yesham Te. That is Dyuloka. If you have, since you are a student of history, if you have studied Vedic history, you would see that in the Vedic hymns this word comes, Dyuloka. Also it comes in the Shanti mantra, Prithvi Shantihi, Dyush Shantihi, that way it comes, right? So those people whose home is the Dyuloka or Swargaloka, that is Devatas. ततस्तस्मिन् अवसरे विधातारं दिवौकसः उपगम्योचिरे सर्वं Ravanasya vicheshtitam. So they went to Brahmaji, Vidhata, and then they said something about Ravana, all his actions and all other things. तदाकर्ण्य सुरैः साकं प्राप्य दुग्धोदधेस्तटं तुष्टाव च हृषीकेशं विधाता विविधैस्तवैः. Brahmaji listened and he felt bad, and what did he do? He started pleasing Lord Hrishikesha or Vishnu. How? By vividhaihi stavaihi. We have seen this, right? Karana is the instrument by which you do an action. So how is he pleasing? He is pleasing by vividha stavas, stutis basically. He is pleasing by singing hymns. Okay. And then what happened? Brahmaji Tadakarni, after listening to this, he went along with the Suras or the Devata, Suraihi Sakam. We have seen this thing, Sakam. Sakam is Kesat. And whenever the word Sakam comes, Tritiya Vibhakti has to come. So we will say Suraihi, like Balakena Balakyabhyam Balakai Suru. Devataon ke साथ. He went where? Dugdho dadhe statam. What is this thing? Dugdho dadehe. Dugdho dadhi is Kshira Sagar, where the Lord resides. So he went to the banks of the Kshira Sagar, and then he reached the Lord. Okay. Now, आविर्भूय अथ दैत्यारिः पप्रच्छ च पितामहं किमर्थम् आगतोऽसि त्वं साकं देवगणैः इति. So Vishnuji, he avirbhuya, he after manifesting in front of the devatas, the Lord asks what? Papracha cha pitamaham. He asked, Pitamaha is our Brahmaji. He asked him. And why do we know that it is Vishnuji who is asking? Because he is Daityari, the enemy, the Arihi of Daityas. This is also Bahuvrihi. Daityanam Arihi Yaha Saha. Daityarihi Vishnuhu. So we say Kimartham. So what is he saying? Kimartham agatosi tvam sakam deva ganahi iti. So why are you coming here? Why have you come here along with the devatas? So ततो दशाननान् दशाननात् पीडाम् अजः तस्मै न्यवेदयत्. So Ajah is Brahmaji, the unborn. So uh, he basically tells about the problems caused by Dashananath Pidam. Tells about those things to Tasmai, whom, Haraye, to Hari. So with joy, after having heard this, Vishtarashravaha is Vishnuji's name. So he said to Dhataram, that is Brahmaji, he said something. Alam bhayena atmayone gaccha deva ganaihi saha aham dasharathir bhutva hanishyami dashananam. So what is he saying? Alam bhayena. We know wherever alam comes, for that associated word with alam, that word we will use Tritiya Vibhakti. So it becomes alam bhayena, atma yoni. Atma yoni is one who is self-born, Swayambhu. So for that Sambodhana pada is Atma Yone, like Mune. So Aham Alam Bhayen Atma Yone, without don't fear Atma Yoni, hey Brahma ji, Gaccha Deva Ganaihi Saha. So Divakar ji, by the way, what is Gaccha? Gaccha is what Lakara?
Vidhi lang lakar.
Gaccha is lot lakara. Gacchatu, gacchatam, gacchantu. Gaccha, gacchatam, gacchata. Lot lakara. Lot.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Right, right.
And why is it becoming Deva Ganaihi here?
Because it is in plural, Bahuvachan.
तब तो देव गणः बनना चाहिए ना. देव गणैहि कहाँ से आ गया?
I think I'm not recalling.
सो बालकेन बालकाभ्याम बालकैहि इस तृतीया विभक्ति.
Yes.
तृतीया किस में आएगा? इफ वी यूज द वर्ड सह सार्धम समम साकम, for those words we use tritiya. It becomes deva ganaihi saha from there. We have seen these rules, right? So aham
Yes, yes.
दाशरथी भूतवा. So मैं अहम दाशरथी दशरथ का पुत्र बनकर हनिष्यामी मार दूंगा किसको? दशाननम.
Okay.
हाँ, so this is coming very interesting. uh, आत्मा शांश्चैश्च सुराः सर्वे भौमौ वानररूपिणः जायेरन्मम साहाय्यं कर्तुं रावणनिग्रहे. That is, आत्मा आत्मांशैः अपनी ही अंश से. So अपना अंश, it becomes the instrument for the birth of whom? The devatas. So therefore we will use tritiya, आत्मांशैः, अपने अपने अंशों से ही. सुराः सर्वे, what will happen? These devatas will all get born in Bhumi, in Prithvi, as Vanara Rupis, in the form of monkeys, Vanaras. And what will they do? They will do for what purpose? To help Sahayam Kartum in what? Ravana Nigrahe. In the Vadha, in the end of Ravana. एवमुक्त्वा विधातारं तत्रैवान्तर्दधे प्रभुः पद्मयोनिस्तु गीर्वाणैः समं प्रायात् प्रहृष्टधीः. So what is happening? So by saying this evam uktva vidhataram, by saying all these things to Vidhata or Brahmaji, tatraiva, from there itself Prabhu had antardhana, became invisible, or became so he basically vanished from pratyaksha. So no more pratyaksha was happening. So then what happened? Padma yonistu girvanehi samam prayat prahrishthadhihi. With a lot of positivity, we can say in some sense prahrishthadhihi, positivity in mind, or with newer, uh, what do I say? Uh, with an emboldened buddhi or something. I need to look at what would be the right good translation of prahrishthadhihi. So, but anyway, what it says is Brahmaji therefore went with the Girvanas. What are Girvanas? Girvanas are Devatas. Because he is going along with the Devatas, therefore we will use Samam or Saha, any of those words. But for Saha and Samam, we will have to say that, okay, it is Tritiya Vibhakti. and because it is bahuvachan, it is tritiya vibhakti bahuvachanam. It is becoming girvanaihi samam. What is the next one? Ajijanat, ajijanat tatah shakro valinam nama vanaram. Shakra is uh, Indra. Indra gave birth to a Vanara named Vali. Sugrivam api Martando. So then Martanda or Surya Bhagavan gave birth to Surya, and Vayudeva gave birth to Hanumanta or Hanumanji. Okay. पुरा एव जनम जनयामास जाम्बवन्तं च पद्मजः एवं मन्ये च विबुधाः कपि न जनयन् बहून्. What happened? Padmajah is Brahmaji, the one born from Padma, or one emanating out of Padma, Padmajah. We know because from Vishnu Bhagavan's Nabhi, Padma comes, and from that Padma, Brahmaji sits on that Padma, right? So, in that same old age, in that age of yore, in those days of yore, so Brahmaji was born as Jambavanta. Because it was in the remote past, we are using lit lakara, it becomes janayamasa. In the lat lakara, present tense, it will be janayati. But anyway, he was born as Jambavanta, and others also, by the way, vibudhaha, devaha, they also became, or they also gave birth to many kapis, many vanaras. So, this is where we end today's Ramodantam Charcha. This is also a satsanga in a sense, because we are actually doing Ramayana in one sense, right? So, okay, I will wrap it up here today for the timing. We meet next week. So, येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः. वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनीं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्.